art project for today is to find something in nature that is a pattern and create from that a pattern which is 7632 pixels wide by 6480 pixels high, and then fit that onto the models in Redbubble. In other words, do one Redbubble new work and put that in. Now you should get 53 pieces at least to look at. It should be at least 53. If there's 35, you made a mistake. Less than 53, you made a mistake. So you're going to fit that in there and see what that looks like, and see. Mostly notice how this stuff curves and bends and adapts and conforms.